the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has less than 25,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and one-touch window functionality. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.